You tell yourself, I'll just catch a 100-tick move, then maybe one more and I'm done for the day. That's $200. If I do that 5 times a week, that's $1,000 a week. That's real income. That's freedom. That's the plan. And at first it feels realistic. But here's the reality. Those very high probability 100 to 200 tick moves setups, they might happen a few times a day, or not at all, and even the majority go your way 10, 20 ticks, then reverse against you. Meanwhile, the market moves 5, 10, 15 ticks, hundreds of times throughout the session. So while you're sitting there waiting for that one magical trade, you're missing out on dozens, even hundreds, of smaller, high probability opportunities. And let's be real. Who told you for sure it's going to move 100 or 200 ticks anyway? Is it the level 1 data chart with some lagging indicators? Or even if you're using level 2 data, chasing big moves is still a gamble. Level 2 isn't meant to forecast 200 ticks. It's optimized for professional traders who know how to spot 5, 10, 20, maybe 40 tick moves max. This is how institutional trading works. Let me elaborate on this more. Imagine you're running a currency exchange booth. Do you sit around waiting for one customer to bring in $10,000 so you can make a big profit? Of course not. You make your money by taking small profits from frequent trades. $10 here, $20 there from customer after customer. That's real business. That's real trading. The market is no different. It's a flow of constant movement, not a lottery ticket. Now, you might say I have a good strategy under my belt. I'll just wait for the session to open. That's when the big move comes. But here's the truth. Some days, the session opens strong and volatile. Sometimes the move goes your way. At other times, it fakes out, reverses, or cuts sideways for hours, waiting for the perfect move. But what if you use your good strategy, just aiming for 5 or 10 ticks with a bigger contract, then achieve your daily target, then leave the market? Wouldn't this be better? Let's compare two traders. Trader A is going for the big 100-tick move. He waits all day for that one setup, and even then, he only wins half the time. Some days he wins, some days he loses. Many days, nothing happened. Just the market is going sideways. Now, meet Trader B. Trader B targets consistent 5 to 15 tick moves with a bigger contract. He takes 10 trades a day, risking 10 ticks to make a 15-tick profit. And let's say he wins just 6 out of 10. That's 6 wins of 15 ticks equals plus 90 ticks. 4 losses of 10 ticks equals negative 40 ticks. He ended up with a net profit of 50 ticks every single day. While Trader A might end up flat, frustrated, or even in the red, Trader B walks away with a profit most days. Note that using only level 1 data, your tight stop loss could be hit. However, if you use level 2 data, you will succeed with that tight stop loss. So, to wrap it up, aiming for 5 to 20 tick moves is the smarter game because it gives you more opportunities. These smaller moves show up all day, across every session. It gives you a higher win rate. They're easier to hit, so your confidence and consistency grow. It gives you smaller losses. Less risk per trade means faster recovery. It gives you quicker trades. You're in, you're out. No more sitting for hours watching your screen. It gives you less stress. You're flowing with the market's rhythm, not fighting it. Try this on a demo account before applying it to a personal or prop firm account.